you can see that, but it's like average 32, maxing 57. So too windy as far as the advice goes. But we're gonna stick this Sneasel 2 and pile a bunch of weight on it. See what happens. I've already got 2 of these. These things are about an ounce a piece. So I'm gonna chuck 3 more on. So that'll be 5 ounces. And I'll weigh these when I get home to make sure that they're an ounce, because they're just guessing. Whew, it's cold. Cold and gross. Never taped on 3 at once. I've only ever added 1 at a time. But I'm anticipating disaster. Radio on. Plane on. Well, here goes nothing. He's bouncy. He likes it. Sneasel loves it. Whoa! Crosswind. Can the Sneasel fight it? Can he stay in? Sneasel's got control. Look at this thing. Fighting from... It's way too windy. Let's add on 1 more. More weight on the nose. Oh yeah. Sneeze loves it. Man, this thing's heavy. It's bouncy. Oh, I'm gonna lose the sneeze. Get back over here. So rough. Come on, Sneeze, you can hang on to it. You got this. turbulence. It's too windy.